Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got one question to ask you. What's freaking cooking? Well, I can tell you what's gonna be cooking today on the Real Kitchen Daddy Show. Gonna make you some Keto Zuppa Toscana Soup. It's gonna be low calorie, it's gonna be a delicious soup. It'll help you during your workouts. As I said before, I'm gonna start making more low calorie soups for you guys or dishes for you guys in order for you to enjoy during your workout. So when you work out, you get something very delicious to eat that's not gonna fill you up. The ingredients are very simple. This dish takes about 20 to 30 minutes to make. I'm gonna attempt to make it in my Ninja Foodi. Some of the recipes is put it in a Dutch oven type of thing, mix it all in, and there you go. Very simple. Got some salt here, got some pepper, which is gonna be optional for you. Gonna do some garlic, got some red crushed peppers. Gonna be some heavy cream in it. Got a whole head of cauliflower. Got some bone broth. I'll tell you about this later. Got your 2 cups of spinach, some Parmesan cheese, an onion. You can do some, I got turkey sausage here. You can do real sausage here, but I'm going with the healthy turkey sausage. And it's gonna be 4 slices of thick bacon. We're gonna bring this all together for you. It's very simple once again. We're gonna mix it all up in the Ninja Foodi here. We're gonna slow cook it for a little bit. Once again, it takes about 30 minutes to make, and you're gonna enjoy this dish. So give me a second to get everything prepared, and I'll be right back. Folks, one of the first things we gotta do, we're gonna take your thick bacon and we'll cut your thick bacon up in small pieces. This will help the cooking process when we go to cook this bacon up and the sausage together. Okay. Throw your bacon in there in the Ninja Foodi. Take the sausage, your turkey sausage, squeeze your turkey sausage in there, get it all in there, and we'll take our Ninja Foodi. We're gonna turn our Ninja Foodi on. We're gonna put it on air crisp. Okay. Shut my hood first. Put it on air crisp. Let's put it on 400. Let's put it on 20 minutes, but we're gonna go less than 20 minutes on this because we're gonna, as it go, we're gonna cook it. Make sure we're gonna stir it around. Make sure it cooks all evenly. So let's put it on there and let's let it happen. Let that warm up and get going. And as we prepare it, I'll show you a picture of me cooking this turkey and this bacon inside the Ninja Foodi. I'm gonna check on the bacon and the turkey sausage and see how it's browning up for me. As you can see, it's browning. Your bacon is not gonna be as crisp as you usually put it on the stove, but it's browned up. I'm gonna have it in here for a few more minutes, and I think we'll be ready with the turkey and the my turkey sausage and my bacon is already done. The next step we're gonna add in the bone broth. I'm using bone broth for fitness purposes because bone broth has extra ingredients that help folks that's doing CrossFit or training in it. It's the collagen of the bone itself that helps you health-wise. So I'm gonna use bone broth. You can add just regular broth. You can do chicken broth. You can do any type of stock that you want to do, but I'm gonna do bone broth. Bone beef broth. 32 ounces. I added my 32 ounces of bone broth in there. Next thing you want to do is you want to add in your onions. I didn't put all my onions in because I had a bigger onion than a small. The recipe asked for a small onion. My onion's a little bit bigger. Got your garlic. It asked for 3 cloves of garlic. I just used some minced garlic because that's what I had. Always use what you have. Always use what you have. Stir that in there a little bit. Then the next thing that I want you to do is add in your cauliflower. A whole head of cauliflower. Now, I'm using cauliflower because This, once again, folks, this is for keto, okay? The original recipe that you have will ask for potatoes. So I substituted the potatoes for cauliflower, so to make it keto. Got my cauliflower in there. Now, what I'm gonna do, folks, is this. Being that I'm gonna use my Ninja, I'm gonna do another two-step process on this. I wanna do a process of a little bit of a pressure cook for it. I'll put it maybe on 3 to 4 minutes of pressure cooking to get it ready quicker. And then I'll put it and bring it all the seasonings together with the slow cook. Once again, I want this to be a quick recipe within 30 minutes. It may take a little bit longer, depends on how you produce it, but I'm trying to speed up the process. Hey folks, I'm finished the pressure cook process of this thing. As you can see, it's looking good. It's smelling good right now. I'm gonna wrap this thing up with, I gotta add in the spinach. 2 cups of spinach. Half a cup of heavy cream. I'll put a little bit more in there for me. Add cream in there. Now I want to put some crushed brown peppers in it. Your crushed your crushed red peppers, and your salt and pepper is going to be to your taste and your liking. But I'll give you the recipe. So I'll put some sprinkles in there. My kids don't like it that spicy. Just want to add a little bit of the sea salt, not too much, because you got the turkey sausage and you have the bacon in there. That's usually got some sodium in it. Just add a little bit of black pepper, a couple of streaks of black pepper, not too much. Get that cream in there. Get the spinach down in it. Now, because I pressure cooked it to speed up the process, the recipe calls for ensuring before you put your cream and your spinach in there for your cauliflower would be kind of soft. It's already soft. So on the slow cook process, I'm gonna slow cook it for another 10 minutes or so, because like I said, my cauliflower is already ready. So I'm gonna put it on a slow cook for another 10 minutes to get the seasonings to mesh in there with it, and we should be all good. So I'm gonna put it back on for another 10 minutes and you will. Hey folks, as you can see, I dipped the bowl. I let it slow cook for 11 minutes. Pulled it out. It smells delicious. Once again, you need to add a little Parmesan cheese on top of it. Just sprinkle a little on top of it like that, to your liking or to your taste. And once again, this is Zuppa Toscana Soup. You will find this soup amazing. It's a low calorie, it's keto based. It'll help you on your journey of working out, getting fit and trim. Let me taste it. Soup pops, baby. This soup will pop. It's amazing. It's an easy recipe for you to do at home. You should try it. It's healthy for your family. Once again, anyone can do it. Inexpensive. It's something that I thought I would never even eaten or make on my journey of trying to get fit. I'm gonna do these type of recipes for myself and my family to get us on track here. So please try it. If you like the content that I provided you, please subscribe, give me thumbs up, try this recipe, give me some comments on it. If I can help you with anything, just let me know. Till next time, folks, bon appetit.